everybody, this is Christina Sinosa, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Gimkit, a very engaging gamification inside your own classroom. Okay, first is you have to go to www.gimkit.com. Next is you're going to see the Gimkit Live and of course the Gimkit Inc. If you are a new educator to use this platform, go ahead and sign up. But because I'm already a member, so I could go ahead and log in. Log in with your credentials. For this account, I'm going to use my Google account. After logging in, it will tell you where to go, Gimkit Live or Gimkit Inc. However, today's video is a tutorial for Gimkit Live and we are not going to use the Gimkit Inc. I am now going to go and click Gimkit Live, and then you could see the kits that I have been using for my demo for the Gimkit Live and gamification sessions. You go ahead and click New Kit and then rename your kit with a topic that you wanted to use or your discussion topic inside your classroom. You select your language and the subject that you are teaching. You could also change the cover photo and then just select one of those Gimkit's picture that is related to your topic. Now you're ready to add your own questions. First, you're gonna have to learn to add your own question first. Type in your own question. Supposing this is your example, add a multiple choice question or you could ask a question directly. You could also add some information like audio or photo. Then you could select and add some additional information. Then you just type in the correct answer. I will just select multiple choice and then add some additional information and then add a photo which I could search in Unsplash. Or you could also upload it via your personal file. And then just try to choose one photo. In Gimkit, the correct answer is always the first choice. But don't worry because Gimkit scrambles the choices for you. It could be number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Now that your question and choices are finished, you just click Add. If you don't want that the choices are words, you can add photos in order for your students to respond to the photos being given. Then click Add. Your first question is already recorded. Now, supposing you are done with your first question, but then there are choices in here at the left side, whether you can create with flashcard, continue with Kit Collab, add from the question bank, or import from the spreadsheet that you already have in your computer. So as you could see, out from these choices, you just could select one that applies so that your questions for China will be completed. So let us try and click one of the choices and let's try to continue with adding from a question bank. Now as you could see, if you have clicked that option, you would see that a lot of the questions or from the question banks for Asian China have already been embedded by other Kit collaborators. What you can do is to check those Kit collaborators and question banks from other Gimkits. Then try to choose one question bank that you wanted to use in your kit. Let's say I'm going to choose this question bank. So as you could see, a lot of questions are there already. And you could just select the ones that you need. You could click the plus sign right beside it. Or you could just click Add All Questions. In just seconds, you would see that all the questions coming from the question bank from the other kit collaborator are already in your Gimkit. Isn't it amazing? You only wrote one question, but the other Gimkit collaborators helped you a lot on how to achieve the best question bank that will make your classroom engaging, electrifying, and fun. After you have entered the question bank from other collaborators and you remembered that you already have those questions or flashcards with you, and you wanted to include those flashcards that you have made before to your Gimkit or kits. So what you're going to do is just to click create flashcard, and then you could also import a set. However, it is coming from your Quizlet account. So what you're going to do is just to sign in with your Quizlet account. Then, after you have signed in, whether it is your Google account or your Microsoft Office account, depending on what account you have in your Quizlet, just click the topic that you have your flashcards in there. Supposing I will just click Ancient China in my Quizlet account. I'll go ahead and click it. And then, here's what you're going to see. Your Quizlet dashboard says all the things that are needed in there. You just have to click the 3 omlets at the bottom, the 3 dots, and then click Export Flashcard. You could see there your old flashcard, and what you're going to do is just to copy the text and then paste it to import flashcards. Then, look, in just seconds, you have your flashcards embedded and included in your own Gimkits. All in all, you have created a kit with flashcards, your own question, and from other kit collabs, or from other question banks from other kit collaborators. Your kit is now finished. You could assign to homework or play live.